This drone takes off like a helicopter and flies like a fighter jet. This is the X-Wing Fighter EVT, a futuristic hybrid eVTOL drone with an iconic X-Wing design that combines multi-rotor agility with fixed-wing range. It features two pairs of canted wings that form an X when viewed head-on, with large rotors at the wingtips providing vertical lift, precise hover, and control before transitioning into fast, efficient forward flight in airplane mode. With a wingspan of 2.43 meters, a body length of 1.45 meters, and an approximate weight of 11.5 kilograms, it can carry up to 1.5 kilograms of payload and travel up to 150 kilometers at a cruising speed of 20 meters per second. The frame is built from durable carbon fiber and EP foam, delivering a lightweight yet strong structure with reduced visibility, able to withstand winds up to Class 5 and assemble in minutes without tools. Powered by a hybrid system that pairs a combustion engine with electric drive or generator plus batteries, it achieves high endurance and useful payload while maintaining precise electric control for VTOL and hover, enabling runway-less operations, vertical landings, and a compact footprint for use from ships, small clearings, or improvised pads where normal fixed-wing aircraft cannot operate. The Fly-Wing FPV version further enhances the experience by adding an immersive, pilot-like view for advanced operators.